Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bounce back to the upside, which to give credit where credit's due, I mean, the price is currently bouncing. I mean, from where it was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, definitely a nice little sign of power there. Of course, still a lot of work to be done, but, moving in the right direction. But if this bounce is going to continue, then again, the 315 mark becomes the question mark in terms of, can the bounce actually fight through that level? So that is the newest area of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, the main level that really stands out to me, and I'm not going to call it quite a must-hold level, but definitely important, is right here at $2.90. The reason $2.90 is important is if the price were to come down to this area and then just break on down below it and continue to separate to the downside, well, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, at least at that point in time, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, you'd have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So to me, like I said, it's 290 or do or die level. I wouldn't go that far, but certainly a level where if the price can stay above it, that would be best case scenario going forward. But overall, a rough day, but we'll have to see if the price can try to turn things around and continue to bounce as the week plays out. Still a couple days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.